Nicole! I sound like I've been smoking for 50 years.
It's better off this way. You barely hear much anyway. Besides, I learned to love the space. Vents off in the kitchen, making a mess of things. I can't, so I eat up everything. You can't judge what you don't see, what you don't see, what you don't.
Back from the gym. Gym Fit is from Target. Fluffy socks from Kohl's. Hey, dude, fix your bandana. There you go. Yeah.
I can see the use of things. I smell the stench fill up the place. 4 bags of evidence to place. 3 hours till I make a scene. I've got a plate to fill. Free life from the taking of a kill. I'm good and fuck what you can't see. You can't see, you can't see. Settle down, what the fuck you talking about?
Nicole!
Last night, don't act like I don't have eyes. I can see the use of things. Settle down, what the fuck you talking about? I'm a mission, cleaning out my
I don't know how to drive.
face to say.
I don't.
This is your last night, don't act like I don't have eyes. I can see the use of things.
It's now 9:04. It's bedtime. I need to hang this up, but I don't know where to hang this. Probably here, over there, over here. I think tomorrow I'm gonna go to the gym at like 12. I took a break last week because I was really tired and I was busy avoiding putting away laundry. Good morning. It's time to edit and gym. I need to moisturize my face first. I actually ended up not going to the gym. My throat has been feeling like kind of dry and gross, so I was not about to go outside.
It's like 5 inches. On a motorcycle without plates on the vehicle, in a jacket that says pussy.
I'm sick. I sound like I've been smoking for 50 years. So I'm in bed. I got my vitamin C, and then I have my Dayquil and NyQuil. And I just got done eating oatmeal. Okay, I'm gonna watch Netflix until I fall asleep again. I'm taking my Dayquil, and then I'm gonna go back to sleep. Ugh, I feel gross. It's 3:34. I just woke up. I'm gonna edit for a little bit. I've edited for like a good hour and a half. I'm about to watch the first episode of Little Woman, which is a K-drama. I heard it's really good, and I'm just gonna watch the show while I play my phone game. Hello, I'm still dying, but I have Gatorade with me. Yeah, I still sound like I've been smoking for 50 years. I've been in bed. I ate some oatmeal again, and then I watched some Netflix, and then I slept a little bit after that. Now I just woke up. Hello, I just woke up. I woke up thinking it was like 3 p.m. or something, but it's actually 6 p.m. already. Yeah, I'm gonna edit for a bit. I just got done editing. This week's vlog is gonna be short because I'm sick. I couldn't reach my 10 minutes that I always want to reach. It's dinner time. We got my bento box, some fresh wasabi, miso soup, and a salad. I think I'm gonna end the vlog here. Yeah, bye.